Went to a local gun show today and really didn't expect to bring anything home, but you never know what you're going to find. I purchased here a while back a 34-1 Snubby, which I did a video on. I really liked it. It's a really good shooting gun, and it's a nice looking gun. Ever since I bought that, I thought, well, maybe I can find a 4-inch, because they did come in a 2 and 4-inch barrels. And sure enough, I ran across this one. This is a 34-1 4-inch barrel, 22 long rifle. They are called kick guns. And this one is super nice. It's very close to new. It has been shot, but very little. Came with the box and all the paperwork. Has the original wood grips on it. Exceptionally well kept revolver. This one, if I read my book right, it was made somewhere in 73. So this thing's over 50 years old, and it still looks this good. It's just an incredible find, and it was reasonably priced. It was not outrageous. I've seen guns like this with the original box and paperwork. I've seen them go for well over $1,000, and I did not come close to that. I was excited to find it, especially in this condition. Most of the time, you know, you find something like this or the Snubby, and they're well worn, still in mechanical good condition, but well worn. But nothing like this. But the guy that I purchased it from, I bought several other guns from him, and he generally keeps something really nice. If you're looking for something like this, you know, he's probably one of the few in there that would have it like this. His collection is huge. But I just thought I'd do a short video on it and let you see it, because it is unusual to see one in this good a condition, and they're getting harder to find. I mean, this is not something that I see at every single gun show. You see them occasionally, and they're getting a lot more expensive. But I'll definitely enjoy this one. I'm going to get a nice set of target stocks to put on it. These are okay. These are actually in really good condition, but I like the target stocks better on the 4-inch guns. And these, I'll put them up and keep them in this kind of condition. But they are numbered to the gun. I took them off and cleaned under them, and they are serial numbered to the gun. I'll get this out to the range. It's raining today, and I thought I'd do a couple of videos since it's raining. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.